Sometimes as a small business owner, there is nothing to update you on, and sometimes there just feels like there's too many things to even remember to share with you. So I'm gonna open up some new yarn that finally arrived, and I'm just gonna do this with you now so that you see the colors as I'm opening it. Okay, so I need to get my box cutter. And so this is the Ultra Luxe Velvet Tube Yarn that was supposed to arrive a while ago actually, but it got stuck in shipping and took much longer than I anticipated. But these are supposed to be some rainbow colors. I had a customer who was really asking for that, and since I was switching over to this new yarn, I needed to get a stock of a bunch of different colors. So I think I might still be missing one box, but I'm waiting to hear for sure. And I have some yellow. Look at that. It's like a perfect spring yellow. And I think this whole box is that same color. So we'll go on to the next box. Okay, I'm gonna move these up closer. You can see some of this teal sticking out here. And some of the blue sticking out here. So let me get these popped open real quick. Okay, so many fun colors. So this is kind of like an orangey color. It's the caramel color that's already on my website, but I was running low on. And then this red, which is super pretty. Sky blue. This is that teal color that I said was sticking out, which I love that. And then I really love purple lately. I mean, I feel like I've loved purple my whole life, but this is such a good purple color. And then I was just getting on my computer to check what colors I'm missing. I know I had ordered more of the pistachio color because I only had a little of that before and it went so fast. And then there might be another color, but I can't remember now. So I'm gonna double check. But these, I need to do pictures and get them listed, so I'll let you know as soon as they are on the website. Okay, I just double checked and I actually got all the colors that I had ordered, but I think I'm missing one more box just with the amount of skeins that I had purchased. So I wanted to show you up close though. Oh, and the pistachio and some other colors are coming, but not till like June. So it's gonna be a few more weeks on those. And this is the Ultra Luxe Velvet. So it's super soft on the inside, super fluffy on the inside. Just a really high quality product, and I love these colors. So let me know what color you're most excited about, and like I said, I'll let you know as soon as they're ready. Okay, I wanted to show you the colors outside of the plastic because they're just so much more vibrant. And if you're waiting for all the rainbow colors, then here they are. Oh, and I still have some of this dark purple in stock, so if you wanted to add that in, yeah, let me know what your favorite one is.